Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna discuss, are these Windows well cover really effective? So more than 10 days ago, I had installed these Windows well cover, and definitely it's working well, because even during intense raining of yesterday, all the water was falling here and was just flowing out towards the property line and going away from the drainage. Nothing was falling here because of the cover, and it's covered from all three sides with some gaps here you can see, so that air can flow, and even in intense wind it does not break. Okay, now these are fire compliant because whoever is coming out in case of an emergency, they can just push it up and escape, because that's the whole purpose of this. Okay, the other window I have is above from the surface, so there is no risk of water entering. But in intense raining, something like we had seen just few days back, few weeks I would say of last month, those are highly risky. So now with this, I can say it's working well. But yes, I would wait for some more heavy raining to 100% confirm. But as of now, more than 60-70% sure I can say that they have worked really well based on what intense raining I have seen in last 2 days. Thanks for watching this, guys, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.